Okay, Promise Life team, I want to talk about the amazing oral care line that Young Living has. It is a powerfully amazing line for good dental health. So I'm going to show you the products that they have, and I'm going to talk about some of the ingredients that are in them. It's going to blow your mind. But the first thing I want you to do is go into your bathroom and pull off whatever, toothpaste and mouthwash and things that you find. And if you don't have the box, it may not say it on the tube itself. But chances are, if you're using a mainstream toothpaste or mainstream mouthwash, like the kind that you've been using, probably since you were a little kid, it says on the box, call poison control in the event that any of this is swallowed. And it'll say it on your mouthwash too. And even some of the natural brands like Tom's of Maine has sold out to some of the larger companies out there. And guess what? It now has sodium lauryl sulfate and other nasty toxins in their toothpaste. So even the stuff that's labeled as natural is anything but natural. And you're paying top dollar for these natural brands that are no longer natural. You're paying the exact same as you would be paying for a Young Living brand, which I will talk about the ingredients. There's nothing nasty in any of these. That's the whole mission of Young Living, is to get everybody toxin free, okay? So we're gonna run through the toothpaste. You've got 3 toothpaste variety, okay? And I did actually put a document together for you guys that tells what the differences are between all of these. They all have a different flavor on them because they all have slightly different ingredients, okay? So let's start with this one. I don't know if you can read that, Dentarome Plus, okay? The main thing that you want to know is all of these are the Thieves line, so they are infused with the Thieves essential oil, which is an incredible power-packed immune-boosting oil, and it's got cinnamon and clove in it and rosemary, and clove in particular was used in oral care for like centuries, right? Dentists were using that to numb the gums and to help people with oral pain and for oral health and boosting healthy gums. Like clove and cinnamon have been used in dentistry forever, okay? So that is already in here. And then you've got the added benefit of rosemary and eucalyptus and lemon in the Thieves oil as well. So it's a really powerful oil blend. Now in the Dentarome Plus, you are going to have sodium bicarbonate. That is baking soda. That is your scrubbing, your scrubber. That's the thing that's going to make that kind of grit, that scrubbing teeth in there. So for some reason you don't like baking soda, I do have another product for you. I love baking soda, but that is kind of the foundation of this. This also is infused with wintergreen oil. Okay, so what else do we have in here? And it is sweetened with stevia. So that is basically what you need to know about this. It has more of a wintergreeny type of flavor. Then we've got the Dentarome Ultra. You can see it's got the blue label on there, okay? So instead of having baking soda as your scrubbing agent in here, this is actually calcium carbonate, which is slightly different. So you can kind of take your pick. It is sweetened with stevia, and it has, in addition to the Thieves oil, it also has thyme and wintergreen. And what am I missing? Peppermint. So this has more of a pepperminty kind of flavor to it. Definitely a different flavor from the Dentarome. And then this one is the ever most popular Aroma Bright toothpaste. This is kind of like taking both of these and packing it into one, right? So it's sort of got like the best of both worlds, and that's why it's the most popular, and it does sometimes sell out. So this has coconut oil in it, which if you guys are familiar at all with like oil pulling, for example, coconut oil has these incredible properties that we want it on our skin, we want it in our body, we want it in our oral care. This is sweetened with xylitol, and it also has sodium bicarbonate as its scrubbing agent. And in addition to the Thieves, it also has spearmint, peppermint, ocotillo, and I think that's it. Right, okay, so this is probably your closest to like your more traditional toothpaste flavor. This one would be like the second runner-up, and then the Dentarome Ultra is like, it just has a different flavor that I actually really, really like. And there's some people who would rather it be closer to, what they're used to from the traditional store-bought brand. So you take your pick on what you want. All of them are incredible whitening, all of them incredible scrubbing, all of them infused with the Thieves essential oil, which is amazing for healthy oral care. But let's talk about the mouthwash here. This is not going to taste like your traditional mouthwash, and there's a good reason why. It's got these incredible ingredients. Like if there's one thing you want to get into your gums and your teeth and into your mouth, it's this stuff right here. This is like, and by the way, it is safe enough to be swallowed. Okay, there's nothing that says call poison control on this. This mouthwash can be swallowed. This mouthwash can be used as a face toner. I'm just saying. It's a really awesome product. Okay, but let me tell you what's in it. Okay, it's got colloidal silver in it. Hello, talk about like incredible properties for, you know, germ fighting abilities. Okay, so water is the #1 ingredient, colloidal silver #2. Okay, so right there, right off out the starting gate, you are talking about an incredible product. Okay, it's got peppermint in it. It's got stevia is the sweetener, clove, spearmint, lemon, vetiver, which is incredible. Vetiver is amazing, soothing oil. We like to use vetiver for a calming oil for relaxing, helping to promote relaxed muscles. So you think about like, you know, why that would be beneficial in your oral care. You know, if you've brushed too hard, you just might need a little something to calm it all down. Cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. So it's got these incredible oils for just dental health and wellness. And last of all, we have the Thieves dental floss, okay? So what's so special about this? Well, a couple of things. One, it's not waxy. It doesn't have that whatever the chemical wax that comes on all of the dental floss at the store. So you're not getting those chemicals. Secondly, it is kind of fibrous. It's a different texture, and it will kind of get stuck between your teeth, but not in a bad way, in a good way, because these fibers will kind of separate a little bit and really scrub your teeth. You will find that this removes way more stuff from in between your teeth than any dental floss that you have ever used, probably ever, guaranteed. Okay, so no, it's not waxy, and it's not gonna got the slide and glide that because that stuff is waxed over. It's not really doing that thorough of a job cleaning your teeth. This does. Secondly, it doesn't have any bleach on it, so you're not getting the chemicals of the wax. You're not getting the chemicals of the bleach that the traditional ones have. And thirdly, it is infused with the Thieves essential oils. So you're getting the cinnamon and clove and rosemary, eucalyptus, and lemon also, although in small amounts because it's dried out in here. But again, you're getting it in here and you're getting it in your toothpaste. So you are getting this incredible power-packed punch of oral wellness in these Thieves line. Like if there's anything you want to start with, get yourself on Essential Rewards and hook yourself up with their oral care products. They are amazing. They're incredible for good health. And I'm telling you, we go to the dentist now and they're like, I don't know what you guys are doing, especially with my children, but keep doing it. You know, it's amazing. And yet they send us home with the goodie bag with all their little samples of traditional stuff that says call poison control. And I'm like, thank you, into the trash with that. I'm not giving that stuff to my kids. This is what I am happy for them to have. And if they swallow it down, the more the merrier. They're just getting Thieves. They're just getting Thieves. And that is not a bad thing.